I feel sleepy. I feel sleepy.
It is bedtime. It is bedtime. The moon is bright. The moon is bright. The stars are beautiful. The stars are beautiful. Welcome! Observe the stars through our window, a captivating view of the night sky.
This is my bed. This is my bed.
That is my pillow. That is my pillow. My blanket is soft. My blanket is soft. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I turn off the light. I turn off the light. I close the window. I close the window. I hug my teddy bear. I hug my teddy bear. This teddy bear is cute. This teddy bear is cute. My teddy bear is fluffy. My teddy bear is fluffy.
I fluff the pillow. I fluff the pillow.
I cover myself with a blanket. I cover myself with a blanket. I lie down quietly. I lie down quietly. I listen to a bedtime story. I listen to a bedtime story. The little bear settled down, his eyes heavy with sleep, and the moon shone brightly outside his window. The story is interesting. The story is interesting. I hear the rain outside. I hear the rain outside. The night is calm. The night is calm. I yawn a lot. I yawn a lot. I close my eyes. I close my eyes. I feel relaxed. I feel relaxed. I fall asleep slowly. I fall asleep slowly. I like my bedroom. I like my bedroom. Everything is quiet. Everything is quiet.